Right now on a News 13 exclusive, a Myrtle Beach-based pool company at the center of a News 13 investigation suffered a major legal defeat this week. News 13's Savannah Denton has been leading this investigation from the beginning and shares a timeline of the events.
News 13 has spent months looking into Cascade Custom Pools and its owner, Chris Harrington, after dozens of customer complaints poured into the News 13 newsroom. The stories were startling. Partially dug holes and utility lines sat for weeks and months before being addressed. And sometimes, the homeowners say, were never addressed by the pool builder. In mid-March, News 13 received the first complaints from viewers about Cascade Custom Pools. March 20th, News 13 spoke with 4 families who lost a combined $422,000. March 27th, we went to their central office on American Way in Myrtle Beach, where I found a note taped to the door saying by appointment only. April 3rd, Cascade Custom Pools' business license was suspended by the state after receiving numerous complaints from customers as well. April 11th, after weeks of calling, texting, and emailing, we finally got owner Chris Harrington to speak with us, but not on camera and on the phone, where he told News 13 his company was, quote, actively working on solutions. April 12th, a day after News 13 revealed Cascade's problems, dozens more families came forward with horror stories of their own. April 13th, an email is sent to homeowners by the pool builder saying Cascade is shutting down and partnering with a competitor. The so-called pool completion agreement gave a company named Quality Pools and Spas Cascade's open contracts, but would require its customers to pay an additional fee for the completion of the work. April 17th, more than 30 families from both Carolinas came forward to News 13 with their similar complaints. Some date back to 2021 and the most recent in January. April 18th, News 13 found more than a dozen civil lawsuits across 3 counties that blame Cascade Custom Pools for shoddy work and unpaid bills, with claims approaching nearly $500,000 in all. April 25th, former employees of both Cascade Custom Pools and Cascade Hauling came forward to share what it was like to work for the 2 companies owned by Harrington. And now, Cascade suffers its first major court loss, with the U.S. Magistrate Court ordering the company to pay more than $327,000 to Myrtle Beach-based SCP distributors. News 13 also discovered through court documents that Cascade had judgments filed against it totaling more than $15,000 to a fence installer and Merle's Inlet Bank. Meanwhile, a Charleston County behavioral health clinic is demanding $186,000 in outstanding expenses from Harrington. As of Saturday, the number of families News 13 has spoken with has grown to 45. And as those complaints mount, law enforcement officials across the Carolinas so far have not pursued any charges. Reporting for News 13, I'm Savannah Denton.
For a complete look at our ongoing coverage of this News 13 investigation, visit our website at WBTW.com.